What's up guys, Ryan here. So today I wanted to talk about how to get negative feedback removed from your Amazon seller account. And I don't mean this in some like shifty cheating way. This is all compliant with Amazon's terms. And the reason I'm sharing this is because, well, for one, hopefully you're not getting much negative feedback, but like on occasion, customers they'll review the wrong product and leave a negative feedback for the wrong product. What I'm talking about in this video is not product feedback. Now, product feedback and product reviews is different than what I'm talking about. When you have an Amazon seller account and Seller Central account, which means you could be selling like FBM print on demand products through the Amazon Printful integration. You could be selling through Amazon Gear Bubble. You could be selling FBA products. Hopefully you're doing all of that. That's what I'm doing, all of those. When you do that though, and someone buys from you, they have a chance to leave a product review and seller feedback. And the product reviews are what's made, the news lately with Amazon cracking down on like fake reviews and whatnot. That is a different system than seller feedback. And they both operate very similarly though. It's like a 5-star review system with a chance to leave a comment. And like I said, customers get confused all the time. Well, let's say a customer bought one of your products and wanted to leave a negative review on the product. If they accidentally leave that negative review on your seller account, you have the opportunity to get it struck out. You can get it removed. All you have to do is find it on your seller feedback, click under the choose one, and then hit request removal. It'll go to Amazon's automated system. And in my experience, like 95% of the time, the automated system removes it instantly because it can tell that it's a product review, not a seller review. And then just to show you, like I just took the screenshot from my Seller Central account. Lifetime, I think I have 4.6 stars average review. The last 365 days, I'm at 95%, which I think rounds up to 5-star. Last 90 days, 98%. Last 30 days, 100%. And that comes from like, if you're selling FBA only, there's not that much customer service you have to do. It's all pretty much handled by Amazon. It's so passive. It's a joke how easy it is once you get it up and running. But if you're doing like print on demand, you will get things like customers trying to cancel an order. If you're doing Amazon Printful, you might have someone cancel an order after you've already paid Printful and production started. Well, guess what, guys? Like, you have to, even if it's not on Amazon, especially on Amazon though, give your customer the refund and change the shipping address to your house and enjoy your new product. Like, the customer has to win out because it's not worth risking like negative feedback on your business that'll hurt you way more than whatever it cost you to fulfill the order that they tried to cancel in the long term. And it's rare that I don't give customers a refund if they ask for one, but like this was probably like 2 days ago. I had a customer request a refund for an order that was almost 2 months old. And the reason was don't need anymore, and it's like print on demand. It's literally like, I go into my bank account, withdraw money to pay for your product, to ship it to you. I keep an extra, $5 to $8 profit, assuming that you don't ask for a refund, and then 2 months later, after you've used the product, you decide you don't want it. Yeah, okay, I'll draw the line there. But also, I'm always like looking to Amazon's best practices to know when it's okay to take a stand. And they said it was okay, basically. Like, their automated system will guide you when you get customer communications, especially like refund requests. What do they say? Not refund requests, return requests. How they word it. And that I thought was fair. But with like cancellation requests, you just have to kind of eat those sometimes. I'll save that story. But I gave my dad a bunch of like returns, and he got to give them away at his work, to people he works with. So basically, like a bunch of random ass hats and T-shirts and whatnot. So I wonder if they got a kick out of that. They probably are super confused as to what like half of the designs even mean. But anyways, guys, so this is worth knowing. You want to keep your seller reviews, your seller feedback clean, because keep in mind, like, the number of products that you sell on Amazon, any number of those products, a customer could be choosing between buying from you and from another seller. And if they're looking for a reason to opt to buy from you versus them, and they look at seller feedback and you're 4.8 stars and the other seller's 4.9, and you lose the sale over that, like, that's money that's, not in your pocket. That's money taken out of your hands in the way I see it. So just keep this clean. It's extremely rare in my opinion. Like, a lot of the negative seller feedback I've received was just that like I didn't request removal fast enough. I think they give it a 30-day grace period for you to spot that they dropped a product review on your seller reviews. And by the way, if it's a positive product review on my seller review, do you think I'm removing it? Of course not. I'll leave that. That's great. But if it's negative product review on my seller account, like you have 30 days to remove it. And I think a lot of the ones that I didn't remove were just the 30-day period expired, and I was getting lazy, or I get a bunch at a time and it gets pushed off of the first page. So just keep an eye on that. Check it like once every 2 weeks and you'll be fine. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you have any questions, comments, or feedback, hit me up below, and I'll see you at the next one.
Passive Income School is open. Enroll now at ryansmethod.com. Thank you.